Can you imagine a community that had no access to electricity, much less internet, Your Honor, Madam Chair? On the same day, biglang umon yung ilaw at nagkaroon ho sila ng internet. Ang kwento sa amin nung principal, ayaw daw umuwi ng mga bata. Dahil tuwang-tuwa sila. That day, nag-Zoom meeting kami with the President and about a dozen other schools with Governor Angel Amante and Congressman Dale Corvera. Yung mga bata parang hindi sila makapaniwala na nakikita nila si Presidente, nakakausap nila in real time. Nag-Zoom kami. So this is really the wonders of technology. Kaya yung binanggit po ninyo na kapag ma-realign ho yung budget from flood control to school infrastructure, pagkabit ng kuryente, pagkabit ng internet, ay talagang nakita namin matra-transform talaga yung buhay ng mga estudyante. Hindi lang po yung estudyante, pati yung komunidad dahil damay po sila eh. Damay po yung komunidad dun sa solar energy that is being provided. And it's also more energy efficient. Nakita namin, hindi lang sa mga backward communities but even in the cities.